How to get squeaks out of Air Jordan sneakers. Everyone loves wearing around a fresh pair of stylish kicks, but what they do not want is a pair that squeaks. Air Jordans are very popular in today's fashion, in the sports world, and in the field of entertainment. While they're trendy and comfortable shoes, what many people have come to discover about them is that, after some wear, pairs begin to squeak. Instead of putting the shoes aside out of embarrassment, you can get that irritating squeak out of your Air Jordan sneakers and put them back on your feet. Steps. 1. Take the sneakers that squeak. Remove the inside sole completely from the shoe. Jordans tend to have a sticky sole, so you may have to really dig under the sole in order to pull it out. The squeaking is caused by air pockets that are formed underneath the inside sole of the sneaker. 2. Grab the baby powder and shake 4 good shakes into the sneaker without the inside sole. By putting the baby powder in the shoe, it will fill up any air pockets that may have formed inside of it. 3. Move the baby powder all throughout the shoe. Shake the sneaker back and forth so that the baby powder covers the entire inner sole, from the front to the back. This allows for the baby powder to get into all possible air pockets of the sole, ranging from the heel to the toe. 4. Place the sole back into the inside of the shoe, on top of the layer of baby powder. This is being done to secure the baby powder into any air pockets, like a blanket. 5. Place the sneaker on your foot and walk around for 10 to 15 seconds. By walking, you are putting pressure between the sole and the baby powder. This allows for the powder to really get deep into the air pockets and secure itself so that the pockets close up, and that the squeaking ultimately stops. 6. Take the sneaker off of your foot and take the inside sole back out of the shoe. At this time, the air pockets should be firmly packed and filled up evenly with powder. 7. Empty out the excess baby powder. Some residual baby powder will be left over because not all of it was necessary to fill up the air pockets. You want to get rid of the excess powder because it is unfastened, so it will just compact and gather in different areas and make your sneaker possibly lop-sided, uncomfortable and irritating. 8. Place the inner sole back into the sneaker. All baby powder should be compacted into all of the air pockets, allowing the sneaker to be squeak-free. This is the final step in which your sneaker will be completely devoid of all those annoying squeaks. Tips. Simply put your sneaker back to its original state and rock your new and improved noiseless sneaker, with no worries. Now, when you are out with friends styling in your Air Jordans, or in the heat of competition trying to excel in your sporting event, you can feel confident that your sneakers will be comfortable and fashion envy, but most of all squeak-free. Things. Squeaky pair of Jordan sneakers. Baby powder.